Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharrah, and I'm so excited to show you guys the outdoor spaces of the Stone Cottage. So these spaces are pretty fun. I mean, for this house, we have a really big yard, I think. We have a wonderful dining area out here. We have a lounge area. And I just wanted to kind of walk through some of the things we did on the outside to update the exterior of this home and just to create some awesome areas where people can gather and hang out and just enjoy the really cool, crisp air here in Oklahoma. It's currently 101 and I am sweating, if you can't tell. But in the fall, it's gonna be beautiful. So I want to do black on the trim. So painting the trim on the windows, the trim on the house, the siding on the house, and then the garage door and this door. So this house, when we first bought it, it was kind of like a brown color. Obviously it's mostly stone, but there is some wood siding, and the siding itself was like a taupey brown, kind of looked like poop brown. It wasn't cute. So we decided to actually paint the whole exterior, all of the siding, the trim, the garage door, all the doors, everything was the same color.
There it is. Look at that. So they still have to do the windows, and I think that'll really bring everything together.
We picked a black color. I will link below the exact black color in the description box, but I think it really gave it a really crisp, clean, kind of modern touch to this very vintage looking cottage. Like I said, most of it is stone, but for the most part, you know, the brown stone with the black contrast, I just think looks so, so good. That window is a new window and it's white, and the insert is white, which stinks because I can't change the color. Except what I'm going to do is use electrical tape. You ever seen that? Look at his face, he's like, you go what? We put this new window in, and the window we bought, of course, this part, the pane, is in the glass. So I can't paint it black. We had the house painted, and all the window panes were painted black. See, those windows are painted black, but these are white because we can't get to them. So we bought this electrical tape. Look how good that looks. Out here in the backyard, like I said, we have a nice little yard that goes all the way that way. We also have some yard that wraps around the house towards the front of the house. That'll be kind of phase 2. I plan to put some beautiful pebble down, maybe a long dining table, some market lights. It's gonna be fabulous. But for this portion of the project, we just wanted to really focus on this part of the backyard and provide nice lounge area. We have a coffee table here. And what I love about this furniture is it's great with all sorts of weather. If it gets rained on, you can actually buy covers for this, which I may do down the line, but it's obviously outdoor furniture, so it can withstand all the elements that Oklahoma has to offer. I really do love this awesome umbrella. We got a stand that has wheels on it, so we can roll it here, we can roll it behind, kind of roll it wherever we need. And then as you guys come over here, wait, I gotta not be in the sun. I'm like glistening. Look how cute this table is. So you can have dinner out here. You can eat some lemons. No, just kidding. This is just for the decor. But I will point out, I got some exterior plates. They are plastic. They're gonna be in the kitchen, but these are great for out here. Even these cups are plastic. Isn't that cool? But yeah, you guys can set a table. You can bring more chairs out. I only have 4 out here, but I think you could probably squeeze in 6 maybe. But I just love this table. If you even wanted to roll the umbrella over here, you could. And it just is like a nice teak on top. And then it has a nice black material kind of lining the circle table on the outside, which is great. And then it has that beautiful base that I just think is so fun. It's kind of boho, but I think when you do it in the black, they have it in white and tan. And the black and tan, I think, is just very modern and cool. And I love it. I love it. Don't you love it? We only have one other outdoor seating area, and it is the front porch, which I think is so adorable, and I would love to show you guys. Do you want to see it? Okay, let me show you a quick peek at our front porch at the Stone Cottage. This way. So here is the front porch at the Stone Cottage. I think this is such a fun little addition to this house. It is right off one of the main bedrooms here, the garden room. You can enter it from right next to the front door off the living room, and I love these little rocking chairs, you guys. I think they're just so special and beautiful. I love the dark walnut wood, and it has a nice kind of woven chair in the dark charcoal fabric. But I just think it's like very modern and very beautiful. We have a little side table here you can put your drink on, and the view is of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tree that we have in our front yard. And I just think it's really special. It's very unique to have a space like this. It's fully walled, or not walled, but not fenced. It's a porch that's porched in. It has a full railing all the way around, and I love that the opening to it is this arched stone opening. It looks so great from the outside looking in, but also is so beautiful to like frame the view that you have outside. So I think this is really special. We have spots for 2 people. You can have a little romantic evening on the porch and then go back inside and enjoy yourself. Pretty cute. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you loved seeing some of the outdoor spaces here at the Stone Cottage. But I mean, this house is gonna experience all the seasons. So if you stay here in the wintertime, you're gonna get to see snow, which can you imagine being in there and seeing snow falling outside? It's gonna feel like you're in like, I don't know, the middle of Switzerland in this cozy cottage. It'd be so beautiful. And then during the fall, look at this tree. This tree that I'm under is gonna turn a bright color, orange or red, and it's just so, so beautiful. So I'm so excited for you guys to come and stay here. Thank you again to Article for sponsoring our videos for this series. And I'm just really, really thrilled that you guys get to actually come and stay in a house that I have been able to design just for you. And also to get to see Tulsa. Like, Tulsa is such a cool city. You guys know we moved here from California 3 years ago, and we have absolutely loved it. In fact, my videographer moved from California too. It's kind of the cool thing to do, you know? Move to Tulsa. It's a great place to be. So come check it out. I will link the Airbnb link below, and any of the items I talked about today, if I can find them, I will link them for you. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.